Here's the notes on the half sheet that we tried going over in class. If you didn't get them down, here's a copy of it to put on your half sheet. This information was also found in your YouTube video and should be written somewhere in your notes. I also posted this half sheet here on the updates. So what do you have to do next for homework over the long weekend, because I won't be here tomorrow, is you need to click on the discussion board here on the side panel. It should say Taxonomy Challenge. You should open the attachment here. It's a PowerPoint, and you should be able to view. Now, we went over the first one together as a class. There's different organisms. For example, the first one is Paramecium caudatum, and the next one is Laterniae pusilla. Now, if you go back to the half sheet on the other side, we did the first one together, and we noticed that in the reading it said that there were membrane-bound organelles, as well as the diagram showed that there was a nucleus. So we know that Paramecium caudatum is eukarya, the domain eukarya. But if it's eukaryotic, then what kingdom is it found in? And Michael told us that it must be the protist kingdom, and he must have looked at his notes and saw that, well, protists are mainly unicellular, and they have that nucleus because they are eukaryotic. So that's how we fill this out. We identify the domain, and if the domain is eukaryotic, meaning eukarya, we want to find out if it's a plant, animal, fungus, or protist, excuse me. And then we give us evidence. What from the reading made you know that? Well, we knew that there was a nucleus, so therefore it's eukarya. And because it was unicellular, that was evidence for it being a protista, okay, a protist. You want to do the same thing for the other 16 organisms on that slideshow. Once you're done, you want to take a picture of it with your iPad, the whole thing done, so I can see it. You'll go back to the discussion board, and it says take a picture of your taxonomy challenge below. You'll click on discussion, and then the plus sign, and then it'll ask for your comment. You need to write something down, so you could say taxonomy challenge, or you could even write your name. And then once you click on attach, you'll find the image you just posted, and then click submit. Please go through the rest of the 16 organisms, identifying the domain, the kingdom, if it's eukaryotic, as well as the evidence, the key, which are the clues, the key words, any observations you made to help you realize that it was in that domain or kingdom. The due date for this activity is Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Please work on this tomorrow, as I won't be here in school, or you can also work on it over the weekend. See you Monday. We'll do the rest of the review on this stuff and then get ready for your quarterly exam on Thursday.